What's going on, my beautiful people? It's Justin from Fruitful. Today I got a really exciting series for you guys. This is options trading from scratch. And so essentially we're going to be starting with an account of $50. Every week I'm going to be posting an update on where the account is and also giving you the trades that I'm going to be doing and that I'm looking at. So to start, I started this account about a week ago. This is a fresh account. I took all the money out of it, redeposited about $60 because I also had a watch list, but the contract that we bought was $50, and so that's why, with $50 was what we started with on this contract. We purchased this, and then you could see the high. We were up 266%, or $133. Unfortunately, I was not able to sell at the high, but if you go into my orders, you can see that I was also holding like $10 of shares or $8 of shares. But then you could see here I sold that contract for $130. And so obviously I didn't get the top, but I got I still made a good profit. And so essentially all I want to do with this series is, I know there's a lot of people that are interested in getting into options, and options is extremely risky. It's very, very risky. It's very volatile. Most people don't even understand what they're doing when it comes to options. So, for example, Robinhood is really good to learn, and that's why I'm also using it on this platform. But for majority of people, when you open up the options chain, they have no idea what they're looking at here. They don't understand. You can buy options, you could sell options. You could also do spreads as well. So these are just, there's so many different things that you could do when it comes to options to make money, just with a little bit of account. I'm essentially buying a $130 call, but I'm only paying $43 for it, even though, in this case it's $2.77, 277. And, so I'm going to be going over just like options basics in this series. I don't want to get too much into it today. But for example, I could just go over the basics right now. For example, what is an option? So this is actually what I teach my group. And so options is the right to buy or sell 100 shares at a specific date for a specific price, which we refer to as the strike price. And so when it comes to what we're looking at over here, when we're looking at the options chain, this is in the case of Peloton, we see that we could buy a call. And so a call means you're betting the prices are going up, and a put means you're shorting. That's what the term they call short to short. You're betting the price goes down. And so options are gambling. You're betting which way the price goes. You always need a plan and enter an exit strategy. And so my exit strategy was, obviously through the chart analysis, when I'm looking at the stock that I bought, which was IPOB, which is Open Door, which is a new SPAC, you could see that it was down to that 20-day moving average. I know it was a good time to buy that call. That's when I purchased the call on this 10.6, when the RSI was the lowest. You go to my order book, you can see on October 6th, I purchased one call for $30 at, expiration for 11:30, and that's when the stock price was absolutely the lowest. The way I knew that it was a good time to enter is through doing technical analysis. This is, I teach people how to day trade, how to trade stocks, how to trade options, how to swing trade, how to long-term invest, whatever you want to do in the stock market. We have a group that's for health and wealth building, and I send them trades. We learn together. These are all of our members who just joined with us, who are already making money on the first day that they join, learning how to day trade, learning how to swing trade, learning how to flip. This is, we start everyone with paper trading. So you go through, paper trading strategy, And so if you're interested in all this, you can check out our website, fruitfulholistics.love. All the information you need, screenshots, receipts, proof, is on our website, is also on our Twitter pages. Go to these Twitter pages. I'm the CEO. Juan 12D is our CFO, co-founder. So check out all our proof. We have, obviously we have our YouTube. If you're on our YouTube, you could see that we have, videos of us making $4,000. And today, we're up another $5,000 just day trading Tesla. But that's for another video. This video is for options starting from scratch, $50 to $10,000, and so as you can see, we're already off to a good week, good start, 125%, and we're up. So I'm just excited to work on this series and grow with you guys, and hopefully teach you guys something. So also just keep this stuff in mind, having a stop loss on options, being able to reposition yourself, cut your losses. I mean, you always need to enter an exit strategy. 90% of options expire out of the money, meaning, most people who buy options and trade options lose, So it's obviously better to buy in the money options. And again, I have options as gambling. And as this series goes on, I'm going to teach you guys more and more about, options. You'll learn through this series as well a little bit. I'm going to give away as much as I can to you guys, and hopefully we learn something together and we grow together. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video and want to see more, please thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please comment. That shows the YouTube algorithm that you really enjoy it, and I appreciate everything. So see you guys.